Today at the restaurant show is all about determining who's going to win Kikkoman Masters for 2018. We've chosen the final 10 and now it's down to figuring out who's the best of the best.
Chefs, you may now start.
Kikkoman soy sauce is very much a global seasoning. It can be used for traditional thing, modern thing, Western, Eastern. Based on utilizing that, I hope they can create something even more innovative and even greater.
I'd like to see something original with it. I don't want to see anything too wacky though. I just want to see some good plates of food.
This is a competition that all chefs of a certain experience should have a go at.
Something I really dislike is people using soy sauce like a sauce. It may be called that, but it's a seasoning. So to be very gentle with it and to use it to season things rather than just tasting soy sauce.
Had 10 finalists, 20 dishes that are showing the best use of that product.
All actually in a very good standard. So I really appreciate all the food as well, the chefs who made such excellent dishes for us.
Quite a variety. We had some Asian influences, we had some British influences with an Asian twist, and we had some great dishes that were showing the best of the season.
I think I did okay for my first competition. It's a big learning curve coming up and doing it in here, in a new space. Minutes and seconds seem to go fast, a lot faster than they do at home.
It's all just about the experience of it was really good, even if come last, you know, it's still the experience been amazing for the age I am and where I am. I can then learn from it.
I've never done any competition before. This is actually my first one. I was like pretty shaking last night and even this morning.
Anybody who thinks they can do anything, just practice. Taste soy sauce, practice and make 2 dishes, 1 fish, 1 meat dish. Have a go. First prize, our Kikkoman Master is Fergus Wilford of Clinton House.
Great sense of relief to win after coming second last year, obviously. I worked very hard on the dishes, practiced a lot, and just gave it my all, basically, and tried to stay in control.